all once meant so much to me. The feverish drives out her, and I remember all the days, all the terrifying ways I sacrificed my whole life just to flee and avoid